Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the America's Test Kitchen app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. America's Test Kitchen is a cooking and recipe app designed for home chefs and food enthusiasts who want reliable, tested recipes and step-by-step guidance. The app offers thousands of recipes, instructional videos, meal planning tools, grocery lists, and expert cooking tips. Users can save and organize favorite recipes, follow seasonal and trending dishes, and access personalized recommendations based on their tastes. It also provides offline access for cooking on the go. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. The app is widely appreciated for its clean and intuitive interface, detailed instructions, and high-quality videos. It allows users to cook with confidence, discover new recipes, and plan meals efficiently. Many users enjoy the ability to organize their favorites and access expert tips directly from the app. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some content is behind a subscription paywall, which may not be ideal for everyone. Occasional video buffering or loading delays have been reported, and some users feel certain features could be more customizable. The app's usefulness also depends on your interest in following tested recipes closely. If you prefer experimentation, it might feel a bit structured. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the America's Test Kitchen app may be worth using if you're a home cook looking for trusted recipes, detailed guidance, and meal planning tools. It excels in quality, organization, and accessibility, though full access requires a subscription. For anyone who values expert-tested recipes and step-by-step cooking support, this app can be a valuable kitchen companion. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.